Okay. So investment in HR, it is the concept which we can again say from the financial perspective. So the organization is investing in all the type of resources. They are investing in land. They are investing in resources like machine. They are investing in the process of raw material procurement. So as like that, the one of the prime investment they are doing in the people. So the investment in the form of, we can say, they are providing them training and development for upgrading their knowledge. They are investing as like they are taking a risk by providing the salaries to people because they don't know exactly how and who will perform according to their payments. But still they are taking a risk. So this is also one of the investment from the organization point of view. So let us understand what is investment in HR. So there exist various ways of investment into HR resources. It can be invested in general capital, general human capital, which are an investment into the specific and general training, as like just I told you. Then that enables acquisition general knowledge visible in various companies. This results in a highest future expected return of investment. So basically here the investment is considered only for the as a part of in training and development. But how the organization can invest in HR? So there are some 5 steps which is considered as a wisely investment in HR. So the first is understand what human capital development is all about. So see, there is a capital. Already we have considered total human being who are working with an organization. It is considered as one of capital. But how that capital can be more developed and how that can be the value of the capital can be uh, again counting more. So on that basis, first of all, need to understand what is the human capital development, how we can develop them. As like other capitals, it is not the thing which we are putting in a bank and we are getting interest much and more on that. It is not the land which can be again having a good value after some time of period. But here it is a human capital and it needs a different type of investment. So how to develop human capital is one of the things which need to understand first of all. The second thing is help employees keep up with the necessary skills. So from that point of view, it is a learning organization, we can say, who is investing in people regularly. It is not the one-time investment. It is a regular investment. It is a continuous investment in people to help them to increase their skills and knowledge. Then make life easier for static skill workers. Again, the people who are working in organization more, we can say, sincerely, seriously, and they are the good performers for the organization, they are the key asset. And from that point of view, organizations should have to make their life more and more easier. So from that point of view, again, they can provide them extra payments. They can provide them other facilities, transportation, canteen, medical, education, whatever. But that on that ways, the organization will try to make their life more easier so that these people can have more performance, can perform more, or they can contribute more within the organization. Later on, invest in the best supplies, tools, and equipments. Again, this is a supplementary investment, we can say. This is not direct investment for the people. It may be whatever the people require to perform. That may be the different tools, different equipment. Suppose I'm an HR worker, I may need a computer, I may need a laptop, I may need again different tools for transportation or whatever. So in that purview, organization, it is a duty of organization to provide or to supply essentialities to perform the people. How the people can perform without any supplements? So supplements are necessary. It may be a part of stationery, it may be a upgraded devices and the equipments. Through that people can keep a record and they can analyze the whole organization activities in proper manner. Then empower your human resources professionals to develop new ways to invest. Again, this may be investment as like a direct investment in a human resources. So these are the 5 steps, or we can say some of the guidelines to invest in HR in a most efficient manner. Why is investment in HR is important? Can anybody tell me something on this? Why the investment in HR is important? इन्वेस्टमेंट क्यों जरूरी है एचआर के लिए, एचआर डिपार्टमेंट में, या फिर एज अ एचआर ह्यूमन रिसोर्स हम कहेंगे उसको कैपिटल, एचआर कैपिटल को डेवलप करने के लिए इन्वेस्टमेंट क्यों नेसेसरी है? इट इज वेरी सिंपल. हम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, इट इज प्रॉफिट सेंट्रिक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. सो वट एवर दे आर डूइंग, इट इज नॉट एज अ, वी कैन से, कोई सोशल वर्क तो नहीं कर रहे, राइट? सो फिलॉन्थ्रोपिकल एक्टिविटी तो नहीं है. यहाँ पे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन्वेस्ट कर रही है क्योंकि दे वांट टू गेट रिटर्न. They're investing their money, they're investing their time, they're investing their efforts in the HR of the organization. HR here considering not only the department, all the people who are working in organization. So that is the investment from the management. Okay. Organization के सभी employees के लिए organization जो भी कुछ कर रही है, that is the investment in HR. So human capital is important because it is a pursuit to increase a productivity and thus product profitability. So the more a company invest in employees and investing their education and training, the more productive and profitable it could be. It is so simple. Many times organization seems that if they are training, providing training to people maybe get trained and they will not remain with the organization. They may leave the job, and from that point of view, it is the loss they need to bear on an investment. But it happens rarely. Again, we can say there are people who values the organization's investment, who values the sentiments of organization with them, and from that perspective, people have the we can say a loyalty with organization. They have attachment with the organization. So always they will try to get return on the investment. So if the company is investing on them in the form of education and training, they are trying to give them returns in the form of production and how they can generate maximum profitability for the organization. So this is a part of investment in HR. Do you have any question on this?